It's easy, but it's scary. I learned like first try, like on the
You
spot.
said you were supposed
It's
to
like
give me
driving
20 the next day.
They're all arguing.
He said I was supposed to get 20. He said he wasn't paying me back. Because Coda owes me 10 because I paid for the entire tab that night.
I know. Coda told me to give him 10 and then you 10.
You owe me
You're in the
20.
shot, bro. You're in the shot. Ah, shit.
If you kill me all over my stomach. No, no, wait. No more. No.
Oh yeah, I actually did.
He's gonna do it again. Just lay down.